Arrested over the violent eviction of a family in Westlands, Nairobi. Now, the police, through a miscellaneous application, sought 14 days to hold the auctioneer to allow for further investigations. It is currently held at the Muthaiga police station pending a ruling by Magistrate Gilbert Shikwe. The complainant, Niraj Shah, said that Baraza led 25 people to their family home and destroyed the establishment. Let's listen in.
The verification.
It should be the fourth sentence, where the judge starts with the word in the sentence as stated. Reasonable terms, and we propose the terms of.
It is unlawful for the police to seek to have a person, Your Honor, who has been arrested to continue being in custody without a formal charge being laid in court. It is unlawful. It is against Article 49(1)(a) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Now, the Kenya Airways, that is KQ, yes, resumed normal flights a few hours after 4 days of